Introducing the Milwaukee M18 FUEL 3-in-1 Backpack Vacuum, a game changer in the realm of cordless cleaning solutions for professionals. Combining unmatched power, portability, and versatility, this vacuum redefines efficiency on the job site. With its cyclonic technology, onboard storage, and ergonomic design, it effortlessly tackles a variety of debris while adapting to diverse working conditions. Powered by a state-of-the-art brushless motor, it delivers exceptional suction power without compromising on noise levels, making it ideal for both spot and final cleanups. Join me as we delve deeper into the features and performance of this innovative cleaning powerhouse. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Unboxing experience. This vacuum arrives brand new in the box, complete with all relevant accessories. The packaging is robust, ensuring that the product reaches you in pristine condition. Upon unboxing, you'll find the vacuum itself along with its accessories neatly organized and ready for assembly. Number 2. Cyclonic Technology. Equipped with Cyclonic Technology, this vacuum boasts powerful suction, a long filter life, and easy empty bagless debris collection. The cyclonic design efficiently separates debris from the airflow, maintaining suction power and prolonging the life of the filter. The bagless system eliminates the hassle of constantly replacing bags, making cleanup a breeze. Number 3. Onboard storage. Convenience is key with this vacuum, as it features onboard storage for all your accessories. The flexible hose, telescoping extension wand, floor tool, and crevice tool can be securely stored on the vacuum itself, ensuring that everything you need is always within reach. This thoughtful design enhances efficiency and saves valuable time on the job. Number 4. Versatility and Portability. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its versatility and portability. With a removable harness, integrated canister hook, and handle, users have multiple carrying options to suit their preferences and working conditions. Whether worn as a backpack, hung on a hook, or carried by the handle, this vacuum adapts to your needs, enhancing comfort and maneuverability. Number 5. Powerful performance. Powered by a state-of-the-art power state brushless motor, this vacuum delivers up to 2x more suction power than traditional job site vacuums. It effortlessly tackles common job site debris such as drywall dust, concrete dust, and wood metal shavings, ensuring a thorough cleanup every time. The HEPA filter and dust extraction adapter further enhance performance, capturing fine particles and ensuring a cleaner work environment. Number 6. Quiet operation. Despite its impressive power, this vacuum operates at a remarkably quiet 76 decibels. This is up to 3x quieter than traditional vacuums, providing a more comfortable working environment, especially in occupied spaces. The reduced noise level allows for focused concentration without disrupting others nearby. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 26.85 inches length by 9.96 inches width by 14.29 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL 3-in-1 Backpack Vacuum stands out as a top-tier choice for professionals seeking superior cleaning performance. Its cyclonic technology ensures powerful suction and long-lasting filter life, while its versatile design and onboard storage enhance convenience and efficiency on the job site. With quiet operation and ergonomic features, it provides a comfortable user experience without sacrificing power. Whether tackling spot, area, or final cleanups, this vacuum excels in delivering unmatched cordless performance, portability, and adaptability. Invest in this vacuum and elevate your cleaning capabilities to new heights. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.